Hi everybody, welcome to I Speak Organized. My name is Melanie and I'm your professional organizer and productivity consultant. I help hardworking families and professionals find form in their space and purpose for every phase of life. And I do realize that I'm doing the crazy bouncy mom dance today. I am going to be showing you in this video how a professional organizer does the file folding technique. And so if you're interested in learning some tips on how that works, then stick around with me and let's get started. Oh my God, look how organized my house is. Popularized as the Konmari method, this technique is amazing for two reasons. One, your clothes have the ability to stand on their own without getting wrecked when you remove a clothing item. And two, when you open that dresser drawer, you can see every single item at once. Kind of like a snapshot of your wardrobe choices. Absolutely magical. I'm going to show you the basics of how I use this technique. And this is a pretty short tutorial, so feel free to rewatch it and refer to these tips as often as you need. First up in our lineup of how-to is to make sure that you have a big, flat surface. I use our bed because it's a good excuse to make sure that our bed is made, to infuse a little productivity tip there. The level space allows you to see that you're creating symmetry and to test your piece's ability to stand on its own so it won't fall over in the drawer, which you'll see I do from time to time. With pieces that have a flare to them like this shirt, I tri-fold it, folding the wider ends in tighter to create parallel lines. Tuck in the straps and tri-fold again to create a little package. With my husband's hilarious underwear, I fold them in half, fold in the inseam, and then tri-fold them. For t-shirts, I typically tuck the sleeves and do what I call the retail fold, where the two ends meet in the center. I flip the shirt over and fold just shy of in half so that as I tri-fold it, it will lay more flat. If you are liking this video and you find the information useful, could you do me a favor and hit the like button and consider subscribing to this channel? It would mean the absolute world to me. Thank you so much. Oh, and it's free to do, so that would be super awesome, and thank you so much. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. Next is my controversial sock balling technique. I nest my socks. Even though so many people warn against this, I try to keep them flat and to make a little flat tube. I never walk around with socks flopping about around my ankles, so this technique works for me, and I'm always guaranteed a pair of matching socks like the gosh darn adult that I am. Last quick tip here is with pants. I fold them in half with the butt on the outside so that the zippers and drawstrings are nestled on the inside. Tuck the inseam and fold them up. The overall goal here isn't to fold each piece exactly the same way, but rather to get each piece to be roughly the same size and shape. When you place items in a drawer, place them seam up. Think of a book spine. If you place a book on a surface spine down, the book is going to flop open. The same principle applies here, so don't go undoing all your masterful work here. And finally, invest in some spring-loaded drawer dividers. The grid effect keeps things from smushing around when you aren't looking. And that, as they say, is that. All right. I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial. We're all done. I'm gonna take this opportunity to eat my lunch because, as you know, it wouldn't be an I Speak Organized video unless I was eating in it at some point. If you've seen my other videos, you know what I'm talking about. But no hating on breastfeeding mommies. Anyway, I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Enjoy your file folding adventures. Comment down below. Send me some pictures. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye. Doing the mom dance, bopping around. Oh, getting her to sleep. Oh, yeah, 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 getting the baby to sleep.